Hey everybody, how you doing today? So remember my video that I posted like maybe 1 month ago or 3 weeks ago regarding the Pixel 6 Pro, and I was about to get the Pixel 6 Pro because it has the periscope lens. So I just decided just to wait and see what's gonna happen. Usually Pixel, when they release their phones, a lot of drama happens and stuff like that. So I just waiting and see, and I found out that actually there's still some issue been reported. Like for example, that fast charging is not actually a fast charger, uh, so it doesn't charge 30 watts. It charges less than 30 watts. That's one thing. And the other thing is that the build quality is not top notch. A lot of people say this plasticky. It feels like it's not up to the level of like Pixel. I know the price is good. It's $8.99, but here's the thing. There is another big competitor in the market that's actually almost as pure as Google software. It's Motorola, and I'm talking about the Motorola Edge 20 Pro. Everything is competitive to the Pixel. It's better than the Pixel in many ways. Like, better in many ways. Now think about it. What makes the Pixel great is software, not the hardware. And with the new phone, there are a lot of videos on YouTube comparing the old phone with the new phone. And the picture, to be honest with you, man, the picture also the same. It looks the same, man. I don't see any difference. Like, it's all software. So why buy the new Pixel? Just get unless you need the periscope lens. And when it comes to the Motorola Edge 20 Pro, it has many good things. Number one, it has the Snapdragon 870, which is a great chipset in 2021. It's even better than 888. It doesn't heat. It does have great performance. And also, it has a periscope lens, 5x optical, up to 50x digital. So that's better than the Pixels. The Pixels are 4.4, and it gets to only to 20x digital. This one goes to 50x, and the software can help in making the picture way better when you zoom to digital. So this goes to the Motorola. I mean, the camera, also the main camera, is 108 megapixel. I've seen a lot of videos and photos saying that it's a really good camera, man. It's a Samsung camera, so we're expecting really good stuff. The selfie camera also, it's been reported as good as 32 megapixel. And the star of the show actually is the screen. The screen is amazing, man. The screen is an OLED screen. Oh, and it's a flat screen phone, so that's a great thing. That's what I want. I want something flat. So it seems that most boxes have been checked, like flat screen. The screen is OLED screen, 144 hertz, very bright, HDR10 plus. So a lot of good things going on with this phone, man. Now, do you know what's the best thing about it? It's the price. The price is kind of stupid good, actually. The price, are you ready? Is 2,000 riyals. The price is 2,000 riyals. 256, 65, 56. Yeah. Okay. So 256, 12 gigabytes of RAM. It's amazing. It's amazing. It comes with the 30 watts fast charger. It has also great perks, like for example the always share, or something like you can turn your phone into PC when you share it with the screen. I'm gonna do that actually. I'm gonna show you how to actually do this trick. I believe is really good. If it actually comes with the cable, it does come with the cable, and you can work with this feature wirelessly. So anyways, the phone is gonna come today. I'm probably gonna unbox it, and I'm gonna show you a lot of things. I'm very excited. I think I'm gonna switch from the Realme X2 Pro to the Motorola Edge 20 Pro, man. So if we want to think about what's bad about the phone, I would say headphone jack. I'm gonna say goodbye to the headphone jack. However, the Bluetooth supports the LDAC, supports the APTH from man, these people are driving crazy. Okay. So it supports the codecs that you need, and wireless is the best thing about this phone, man. Anyways, stay tuned, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.